Hello, I'm William Gallagher and this is 58 Keys, and I think it might be the 58 Keys that is my first ever unboxing video. The first unboxing of a Mac, in fact a Mac Studio. So let's just get into this. Just put that out the way. Now actually that's really impressive, isn't it? Look at that folding system there. Nice, isn't it? And okay, so you'll notice that the address label, that's pretty standard one color printing there, and obviously it's affixed with just, you know, your general sort of label glue things. But the interesting thing here is inside the box, how most companies would actually use glue here too for these sections here, and in fact some of them would go for staples, but of course, you know, there's a lot of waste products, and it's all in order to support the weight. And yet, obviously, Apple's managed to find a way to do this to not only support the weight, but also offer quite a lot of protection. This cardboard will have started out going through a heated corrugating roller system. That would create, you know, like the basic structure, and then, you know, obviously heat and pressure to firm it up, make it more solid and things. And you can tell it all comes out as flat sheets, obviously, but then this will have been done with die cutting and also creasing of the cardboard to allow for the kind of perforations so that the folding time. I mean, this is a great piece of design here. And then there'd be the slotting machines that would make things like the flaps and the tabs that are needed for assembly. And then lastly, of course, there's finding the right thing to go inside it. You know, I mean, that's not to be underestimated, but still, very impressive stuff. Listen, I hope I got my first unboxing video right. If you've enjoyed this, perhaps you could go get some boxes of your own too. And in the meantime, thanks for watching. Take care of yourself. Write more? No, wrap more. That's what I think. Wrap more in cardboard, and I'll see you soon.